ठीक है ठीक है. So what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have a special guest with me and he is also a good friend of mine. So let's hear from him. Hey Ojas, please introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Ojas Lala. I'm currently pursuing DNS course from Tulani Maritime Institute. So I'm having a good time here. I'm here for my practicals. So yeah, Shanawaz, what are the questions? Let them
So
come.
our first question is very basic and it is almost asked in all the interviews. So where did you come to know about Merchant Navy?
So like I took PCM in my class 11th class and I was very into this field. Like I researched a lot about this and then watched some videos of Jeff HK. So like it piqued my interest a lot. So then I started researching a lot about it. Then came to know of all the influencers that exist on the YouTube and Instagram realm. Then yeah, I was fortunate enough to find Shanawaz sir and all the other like big inspirers of me to come into this merchant navy field. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, so second question is okay. For after this, you came to know about Merchant Navy. So how did you get the knowledge about institutes and companies, because sponsorship is very important before joining Merchant Navy?
Yeah, it is a very important like thing to. So I'll tell you two things. So I think the first thing is like if you can do research on your own, good amount of research, and if you know what's a good and what's the bad research. Like if you know a lot about the company, but you have to know what to know and what not to know.
Yes,
So I
yes.
think that's very important. So I think people like you and people like other influencers, like I want a special mention there, Mohit Paliwal. So
Yeah.
like he was a big inspirer of mine. So he taught me a lot of things about merchant navy field, and he wasn't a relative or anything. He was just a like not even a friend. Like I was a student of him. So because of him, because of you, and because of other creators on YouTube and other, so I got to know what to say in the interview and what not to say. And because of that, my research was very good, and my PCM was also like not that good, but with good research and with good communication skills. Because of these people, like I'm here right now.
Okay, okay. So tell me, actually in sponsorship there are various steps. The first one is
Yeah.
online exam. So how did you prepare for online exam?
So like in the second half of 11th, I decided to do NDA also. So like I was preparing for IMU CET, NDA and both. So like in 11th, I was a JE student also. So I took Alan in my 11th class,
Okay,
as
okay,
all
okay.
the other people do, apparently in Rajasthan. So yeah, did JE tuitions and all. So my PCM was good. It was not that bad. But my general knowledge and all the other subjects were like very
Like
pathetic.
reasoning and
Yeah,
okay,
reasoning.
okay.
So reasoning was good, but like other subjects like GK, history, and other.
Okay, okay.
So I struggled in them a lot. So yeah, watch videos, join Telegram channel of Shanawaz sir, Mariner SK, and other people also. So that helped me. Like basically, what I knew from these people were like what to really study.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
that.
It is very
Like,
important.
the syllabus is vast, but you have to know what to study and what not to study. Like you can't cover 100%. You have like you can even cover 60 to 70%,
Yes,
but that's
yes.
a lot. Like you don't need more than that. So
Yes,
yeah.
yes, sir. And the second process, the interview round, it
Oh,
is
yeah.
very important.
Yes,
So how
yes.
did you prepare for that round? Because it is very important.
Yeah. So talking from experience, I have sat on like 8 to 9 interviews
Yeah.
for companies like Shanawaz, right?
Yes, yes.
So like all the good companies which are coming right now. I don't want to mention their name or anything, but yeah. So like I cleared them all.
I know you were
yeah,
selected in almost all the companies.
yeah. So you know what the main thing was for me?
Yes.
The main thing was communication skills,
Yeah.
and main thing was knowledge about the company.
Oh, yes,
And
yes.
another thing, like I didn't score very good in test, so like I wasn't a good tester of things. Like,
Okay.
but my interviewing skills were good. So like, but I got them to that stage because of the research and because of the people.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, because of the knowledge that was given to me. Because if I did it all on my own, it could be done. I'm not saying it can't be done, but you have very limited amount of time in that.
Yes.
And like if you don't know a lot about this field, and if you have very less time and you want to do good and you want to get a good company, then I seriously suggest find a way, like find a pathway. And if someone is giving you a pathway, then let's just roll on to it.
Okay.
And if you trust them enough, yeah. So I
Yeah.
trusted him. Thank you.
Okay, and the next round is medical round. So give us a brief introduction about that medical round.
Okay, so like I have given 3 medicals in
Yeah.
total. So yeah, I have a lot of experience in that field. So yeah, I would say the Anglo-Eastern interview was the toughest. Anglo-Eastern medical was the toughest of all.
Yeah.
But yeah, other medicals were also of the same kind. But yeah, it's a normal process. It's not that hard. Medical is
Yeah.
just a normal procedure.
Normal
So
procedure.
like you have to give a psychometric test, and then you have to
Yes.
give various ECG, EKG, and sonography and all that other things. So not a very hard process. A normal person can also go. So what medical test is testing you is for are you fit or not to go to the sea.
Sea,
That's
yeah.
it. Like not any other, like it's the requirement is not ki if you can run 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers in an hour or not. It's not that. It's just even if you test a normal person for it, he'll be fit. You
Yeah,
won't
yeah.
even know. Like we are normal people, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So we are also fit. So yeah, that's it. Medical is just a normal
And
process.
what about the eyesight and color blindness?
Yeah. Eyesight and color. So like main thing is my friend. So like he was also interested in doing BSc course from TMI, but he cleared all the processes. He cleared everything. He cleared the medicals. But in one process in medical, he couldn't clear color blindness.
Okay.
So
yeah.
that's non-negotiable in medicals.
Yes.
So like if you are colorblind, then I'm sorry, my friend, you can't come into this field.
Yes.
But yeah. And 6x6 eyes also.
Yeah.
So like if you wanna come to DNS or a BSc course, then you have to have 6 or 6.
For deck side 6x6 is
Yeah,
compulsory.
deck side 6x6 compulsory. If
Okay.
you are not, then yeah, maybe go for a LASIK process. Like many other students in our college have, right?
Yes.
In DNS also like 11 to 12 students have taken a LASIK
Basically. And
operation.
I already have a video on LASIK, so you can watch that too.
Yeah, link in the description, guys.
Yeah. So my next question is, and it is for the upcoming batch. There are many aspirants who are trying to get sponsorship. So
Yeah.
please.
Okay, so from experience, I'm gonna tell you this. Like, trust the people who you think are good enough to make you to that level. Like Shanawaz sir and other people. Like, I'm not boasting from this. Like, I'm not even saying just him or any other. Like many people on YouTubers
Yes.
who will teach you, like who will give you sample papers or anything. Like, but main thing is lot of material is present on the
Yes,
internet.
yes.
That's the main problem. You have to know what's best for you.
What is the best?
You know what? Like if there are 110 PDFs on the internet or even on your page, like
Yeah.
even in the Telegram. So like Shanawaz sir has a Telegram page. So it's a beautiful page. Like lots of stuff is present for aspirers, and you can even like if you do that stuff, you are qualified. Like there's not even a question about it. But there has to be someone who has to guide you through it if you are not knowledgeable enough. And many people must think that they are that stage. But you know what? Are you willing to take that risk for your career?
Yeah.
I didn't want to take that risk
No,
because you
not
know
at all.
merchant navy was everything to me. Like if this was my only and first and only choice.
Yeah.
If this was not it, then I would have been trouble. So I gave my literally 110% for it. So the 110% was taking help from anything that I can get.
Yes.
And trusting the people who I can trust.
Yes.
Trusting the process and trusting the people. Like if those people told me, like Shanawaz sir told me, do this, I did it. Like Mohit sir also told me, do these things, do these questions, do this for interview, and you're gonna clear it.
Yeah.
So like it's not that they're gonna give you a guarantee that you're gonna clear this interview or anything. Life doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
But yeah, I did. I literally did. So like 7 to 8 interviews just like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, trusting the process. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say.
That's why you are selected in almost all the companies. Yeah.
So I just wanna like lastly thank Shanawaz and like the cameraman behind it, Tanuj Jain. So yeah, thank you. That's all I have to say. Thank you, Shanawaz, for letting me come to this interview. And
thank you
yeah,
always for
all the best
doing this.
for all of you for February batch. February batch is coming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Feb batch is coming. So guys, all the best for it.
So-
And I think Shanawaz might have a good thing for you in the future. Like stay on. Thank you.
Thank you so much.